Show you the 2019 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.